They're everywhere! They're everywhere!
It's art time with Mr. Mayberry. Let's get busy!
Happy Easter and welcome to Art Time with Mr. Mayberry. Origami is the ancient Japanese art of folding paper. Today I'm going to show you how to make origami bunnies. So let's get started. It's time to fold. For this project we start with an 8.5 inch by 11 inch piece of paper. Okay, we cut out a square which is 8.5 inches by 8.5 inches, and that leaves you a strip 2 inches by 8.5 inches. If you'd like to try making smaller bunnies, what you can do is take that 2 inch by 8.5 inch strip and cut it into even smaller squares, and you'll have a little piece left over. Won't need that. And then you can try making little bunnies with these pieces. Take your square, turn it like a diamond, fold the bottom to the top. Line up the edges as best you can. Press down good on your folds. Open that up. Turn it so that the crease is vertical. And we're going to be making what's called a kite base. So we take the bottom right edge, fold that over, line it up down the center.
Are we making a paper airplane?
No, we're not making a paper airplane. We're making a kite. Take the other half and fold it to the center. Now you want them to meet in the middle. But not overlap. So this is what they call a kite base because it looks like a traditional kite. Nice thing about bases is you can take the base and then make lots of different things. Today we're making a rabbit. So we turn this around, and where the edge of this paper is right here, we're going to fold the bottom up on that edge. It makes a triangle. Then turn that around. And we're going to fold this triangle up so that it goes past the end. This is going to be the rabbit's tail. So I fold it right in here so that we have some sticking out past the end. And that's what they call a zigzag fold, where it goes one direction, goes back, and then goes back again. So that's a zigzag fold. And that's a rabbit's tail. Okay, we're going to take the whole thing and fold it in half lengthwise. So you can line up your edges. And then we turn it this direction. This is going to be the base of the bunny, and here's the rabbit's tail that we just made. I'm going to take this front part and fold it up, and it's going to be the ears of the rabbit. So we fold it back at an angle like that. Then we open that up. Open it up again. And now in traditional origami you don't use scissors, but today we're going to use scissors. And we're going to cut down the center till we get to the two creases that fold either direction. So we use a pair of scissors, cut down the middle. And stop when you get to those creases that I just pointed out. Okay, fold it back in half the way we had it just a second ago. We turn it. And there'll be two flaps here now on the right side since we cut that down the middle. So I'll take the top flap and fold it up. And we take the whole rabbit and flip it over horizontally. And you take the other flap and fold it back, and it matches the first flap that we made. So it fits right inside the same shape. And that's our project for today. An origami bunny. If you'd like to show me the bunnies that you've made, check out the contact information below. And if you like origami, why not check out Origami Time with Mr. Mayberry? Well, thanks for coming to the art room, and I'll see you next time. Make someone's day. Give your origami away.